Adopting the latest air conditioning and process cooling solutions using the latest technology such as inverter control and low ODP refrigerant can transform your manufacturing facility, optimizing productivity, product quality, and operational efficiency. From precise temperature regulation to process-specific cooling systems, our innovative refrigeration and air conditioning products have the latest refrigeration technology and cater to industries like food and beverage, enabling product preservation, ingredient preservation, fermentation, freezing, and chilling. We offer tailored solutions to elevate your manufacturing processes so you stay ahead of the competition, combining the latest technology and low environmental impact to suit your processing application. Being in the manufacturing business is competitive and ever-changing due to commodity prices and the like. So, maintaining optimal conditions is crucial for productivity, not only to save money, but to maintain product quality as well as overall operational efficiency. Air conditioning and process cooling solutions play a vital role in creating the perfect environment for various manufacturing processes, and old cooling technology can be a heavy user of electricity and therefore bottom line profit. Contact Orion Air Conditioning and Refrigeration today.